Best greetings from Kiev, the capital of Ukraine. My name is Viktor Fursov, and my visitor in Ukraine, Ayat Alsindi. Can you tell your full name?
My name?
Yes?
My name is Ayad Alsindi.
Yeah.
From Iraq, I study MSc in Iran, University of Tehran.
Ayat is a postgraduate student in Tehran University. He is visiting Institute of Zoology of National Academy of Sciences in Ukraine, our laboratory at the Department of Entomology, Insects and Biological Control, and he is studying the family Eurytomidae, the taxonomy and biology. So, Ayat, how long you visited Ukraine?
80 days.
Yes, more than 2 months. He visited our laboratory and worked with our collection, because our collection is very valuable in our department.
Yes.
And what did you find in our collection?
Many species, new species.
New species.
New species. With Dr. Zorovo, I very thank you for Dr. Zorovo and Dr. Victor and Alex and all in institute helped me. I am very happy.
Ayat Alsindi, he was studying the taxonomy of Eurytomidae family together with Professor Marina Dmitrievna Zerova, who is expert on taxonomy of Eurytomidae in Ukraine and in the world. So she was very helpful to help Ayat with identification, to compare collection. And Ayat was very busy to mount insects, to make labels, and also to study them under microscope. Yes, we have not very famous microscope, but still old construction of this microscope from Russia. But we have also 2 microscopes from Japan in other laboratory. So, how many species did you find?
28.
Yes, about 28 species of Eurytomidae.
Continue Eurytomidae, continue genus Brachiophagos, Cystol, Eurytoma.
Yes. Yes.
And take photo in microscope.
Yes, we took photos under microscope, Olympus.
With Dr. Victor.
Yes,
with Dr. Victor.
I helped to take some photos.
And I'm very thank you for Dr. Victor. A lot of help me in this time.
Our microscope is automatical. We can put insect under microscope. I can show you our insect. So, for example, we keep some insects in boxes. So we took these insects, put them under microscope, and took these tiny insects here. Eurytomidae, they're very small insects, about 2 millimeters size. So we need some characters of a head, antennae, thorax, abdomen, so very tiny features. So under microscope we took many photos.
Some species for Brachiophagos 1 millimeter.
Yes, very small. And your project in Iran about Eurytomidae, what was this project? Connected with what plants?
A lot of plants in Iran.
Yeah.
Collection for Qom and Isfahan and Loristan and Hamadan and Charmahal and Fars.
Many places.
Many places. Very difficult collection. Very difficult identification. Very difficult. But I happy with all institute in Ukraine. All help me.
Yes, and Eurytomidae, these insects were phytophagous insects and also parasitic insects.
Yes. Seed feeding and parasite.
And most of your insects here in collection, they are probably seed feeders.
Seed feeders.
Here only few boxes, but Ayat has many boxes in our department.
Six boxes, big size.
Big boxes.
This is small size.
To be careful.
I have
big size.
This Big.
So he was busy for 2 months and 20 days.
Yes.
Yes. And how did you find? This is difficult to identify Eurytomidae.
Yes, very difficult. Very difficult. But in this institute, not very difficult. Because all Dr. Victor and Dr. Zorvo and all make in institute very good, very help me.
Okay, thank you for your kindness as
And
well.
I come again in Ukraine, inshallah, in April and May, 2 months again for continue this search.
Yeah, good. And you live here in the center of Kiev. And how did you find Kiev?
Kyiv very good, and I hope all people in Ukraine Happy New Year.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Did you visit the Saint Sophia Square? With
Yes, with Dr. Victor visit, and I look all Sophia.
And also, did you see this Christmas tree? This New Year
Yes,
tree?
yes, yes.
Yeah.
In big tree.
Big tree.
Yes, in Happy New Year
Yeah.
for all people.
And also, we visited some museums
Museum, yes, and
in Kiev, Pecharsk, Lavra.
yes, yes.
We visited the Gold Museum to see
Yes.
Ukrainian pectoral,
Yes,
golden plate.
Yes, yes.
many gold and silver
Silver,
from
gold, silver, yes.
and
yes,
this very famous
With Dr. Victor.
museum. Yeah,
Yes.
very famous museum because this very famous gold and stuff was found by archaeologists under the ground,
Underground.
and now this is in the museum in
Yes.
Kiev, Lavra.
And I go visit this tongue. And,
Oh, yes, yeah, and also- Yes, and also we visited museum of Second World
Second
War
World, yes.
with all these militaries,
yes.
tanks, and
1942.
yes,
Yes.
1941, 45.
45, yes.
Yes, it was quite interesting.
Yes.
Big museum.
Big,
So,
very good.
what was surprising?
Good day.
What was surprising, unusual in Ukraine? Something special?
Ukraine,
People, buildings, I don't know.
no, I see all people good.
Yes.
I see in my institute or in street or in a restaurant or
Yes.
I see a lot of good people.
Friendly, helpful.
Yes, yes.
And what about the restaurant?
Restaurant, soup very good, and
Food is good?
food not for me not very good.
It's special.
Yes.
Ukrainian
Yes.
food.
Only fish good
Yeah.
and soup very good.
But you also visited a Turkish restaurant.
Turkish restaurant, yes. Musafir restaurant.
Yeah.
And Meydan,
Meydan restaurant. But
Yes.
you are very special. You are vegetarian.
all vegetarian.
You
yes.
are vegetarian.
Yes.
So that's why it needs to be very careful.
Yes, very careful.
Okay. So I hope so you can find much more interesting insects in the future in Iran. And usually say why these red labels? This is very important.
Yes.
And if we
Very
find
dangerous.
no,
Very important.
not dangerous,
Not-
very important because
Yes,
if we put a red label,
Yes, I
this
joke
will
with
be
you, yes.
type material.
Yes.
Type material most important in new species.
Yes.
So I hope we can describe some new species and put red labels.
Red label.
Red labels.
Yes. Because this very important and new.
Yes. And this will be holotype, paratype,
Paratype, yes.
and new species to publish it in international journal.
Yes.
In English.
English. Yes.
In English.
In English.
Yes, this is very important in Ukraine and in Iran
Yes.
and in Iraq.
Yes.
So
I am from in Iraq, and I stay in Iran,
yeah.
and I connect for Ukraine. This very good
for this
for
study.
me.
For this study.
Search and study this very good.
Yeah. So thank you for coming. Be careful with insects. Study them under microscope carefully.
Yes.
Good luck in your flight. Yeah. And welcome to Ukraine again for study with microscope. With microscope. With my microscope again.
Yes.
We were sitting and studying under microscope.
Yes.
80 days.
Yes.
80 days. Very difficult.
Yes.
I think this is very difficult for Ayat because in Iran it is warm now, and in Ukraine little bit cold.
Yes.
Snow, rain, again snow, frost.
Yes.
Very little bit difficult.
Yes.
So enjoy hot and pleasant weather in Iran and in Tehran and Iraq. Okay. Best greetings to your family. Yes. So thank you for coming. Welcome again. So good luck.
Thank you for you and all institute. Dr. Victor, thank you very much.
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay, welcome again, and have a good work at home, and best greetings to your colleagues. So you can collect more samples with insects.
Yes.
Many samples with insects will come into university in Tehran. Maybe some coming to Ukraine for study.
Yes.
So
for 2 university
will be helpful.
Yes.
It will be.
It's very good.
Good for cooperation between Iraq, Iran,
this cooperation
and
very good.
So
from
this is
Iraq, Iran, and
3
Ukraine,
countries cooperation.
3 countries, and this search very good for all students.
Yeah, for students and for plant protection.
Yes.
And for taxonomy of insects.
Entomology, this very good.
For
taxonomy.
Together for entomological taxonomical study.
Yes.
So good luck. Collect more new species in the future.
Yes. I am happy for this new species.
Yeah, good. Okay, see you.
Goodbye.
Okay, thank you for watching our channel.
Thank you for all people Ukraine.
Yeah, good luck. Subscribe to my channel, don't forget. Yeah, and write your questions and comments down there. Good luck.
Thank you. Good luck.
Wait a minute.